question for you.
What is that?
My question for
Where
you.
is he? Where's the man? Where is he? I hear him. Where is he? Where's the man?
Your turn will be in a moment.
Where's the man?
My question for you, my
Will
darling.
he touch me? Where's the man?
What was
See me?
the
Where's
first
man?
boy that ever kissed you like, and why did you like
Where's the
him?
man? Mine was Charlie. He was the neighbor boy. Charlie, he was the neighbor boy. Charlie, he was the neighbor boy.
Under the mistletoe. I was 12 and scared to touch a boy's lips. He was from my church. His name was Eric Oberly. He was 16. He was 4 years older than me. And I waited, and I wanted him to kiss me so bad, but I was so scared. And then he stopped me under the Christmas mistletoe, which is poisonous if you eat it. And he put his soft lips against mine. And he took away my fear.
And you, I have a question for you. Come back here. Come back.
You have a question for me?
My
What would be that
question for you. My
What would be
question
that
for you is, how do you describe the feast of arousal?
I shall not put such into words.
Question for you.
What is it?
What does the right man wear under his clothes?
Body butter, bananas, peaches and cream, strawberry juice, and a little sweat.
And you,
It's talking to me. It's talking to me.
Talk to you,
I
lady.
don't like it when the boys talk to me. Don't, no. I don't like it when the boys talk to me.
I have a question for you too.
And I hate it when they ask questions.
Hate it when the boys ask you questions.
Come on, lady.
I don't like inquiries. I like statements. I don't like inquiries. I like statements. I don't like inquiries. I like action.
Ask me again.
What is the smell of eroticism like?
It's a burning candle. It's the smell of burning flesh. It's the smell of rose petals. Burnt. Fire. It's wood. Burning. Trees burning. My heart burning.
What is the sound of eroticism, my dear? What is the sound of eroticism? What is the sound of eroticism? What is the sound young, because you're too old, because it's against your religion. You're not supposed to make that sound, dear. Please don't make the sound. Your mama told you not to make the sound, didn't she? Do not let the neighbors hear you make the sound. Do not let the neighbors hear you make the sound. Do not let the neighbors hear you make the sound. Do not let the neighbors hear. 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 Don't let the neighbors hear. Don't let the neighbors hear. Do not let the neighbors hear. Do not let the neighbors hear.
Do you have anything you'd like to ask each other?